Introducing the Sanford Mixer Grinder, SF5900GM. Designed for everyday kitchen perfection. Blend, grind, and chutney all in one, with 2-liter blending and 0.4-liter stainless steel chutney jars. Powered by a 550-watt heavy-duty motor, engineered to perform effortlessly. With number 304 high-quality stainless steel blades, get smoother blends and finer grinds. Every time. Choose your texture with 3-speed control and pulse function for precise results. Built with anti-skid resistant feet, a compact ABS body, and auto shut-off overload protection for safety and durability. Sanford. Power, precision, perfection.